Hello, I'm Angela. Today I'm going through with you one chemistry question which is quite challenging to most of the students. It looks very scary if you haven't seen this kind of question before, but actually it is doable. Let's take a look on this question.
Now let's look at the question. A salt has the chemical formula. Wow, this chemical name is so long. A lot of people see already. Wow, it's so complicated. Okay, then after that, we can see that this 12 H2O from the salt. So this is considered as a hydrated salt. The salt here is formed through the crystallization, and excess aqueous sodium hydroxide was added slowly with shaking to a hot solution of the salt in the boiling tube until there were no further action. Okay, and then the boiling tube was then left to stand for some time, which observation would not be made. Not be made. Okay, so first of all, because the solution actually is a boil to no further reaction, that means the 12H2O here, it is already decomposed and then escape to the environment. So the leftover chemical salt name actually is this one only. Now let's look at what we have learned from the acid and base chapter. Ammonium salt, we know one of the equation or one of the chemical reaction is ammonium salt react with alkali. We will get salt and then we will get ammonia gas and water, right? So we can sub in all the information here. Ammonium, okay, and sodium hydroxide. Okay, so for this part, actually it will form the ammonia gas. And what we left over is the iron, sulfate, sodium, and hydroxide. So it actually will form two kinds of different salt with sodium sulfate and iron hydroxide. Let's write down first, sodium sulfate and iron hydroxide. Okay, and then plus ammonia gas plus water. Okay, then after that we balance the equation. Okay, so now the equation already balanced and now is ready to answer the question. A green precipitate was produced. Is it true for A? Green precipitate. So this one actually is solid state. This is aqueous state. Okay, this one is a gas state. Okay, so the only precipitate they are talking about is this one, and it is green color. So this is a FeOH2. So this is correct. Okay, a pungent gas which turned red litmus paper blue was produced. So there is a ammonia gas. So this is correct. Okay, on standing, the precipitate turned brown. So they are referring to this one. The iron 2, it eventually will become iron 3. So it is brown color. So this one is referring to iron 3 hydroxide. This is correct. The precipitate dissolve in excess aqueous sodium hydroxide. Dissolve in excess. So in this case, whether they are talking about, okay, they are talking about this one. Huh? So if let's say we use this iron hydroxide to to assess sodium hydroxide, it actually will not dissolve. It will still remain there. Okay, so the answer is D. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.